guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna make some baked potato. So I'm gonna make a sweet potato and I'm gonna make the regular Irish potato for you guys. So first we're gonna wash them. You need to wash your potatoes before you bake them. So I'm gonna thoroughly wash them with a brush. You can wash them with whatever you want to wash them with, but I'm gonna wash them with a brush. I'm gonna give them a good scrub because some people like to eat their skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and poke some oil into the potato. You can use a knife, you can use a fork, you can use whatever that is going to poke some oil into the potato. And you need to do this because you need to let out the steam so the potato don't be saggy and mushy, because you want it to be fluffy when it is baked. Okay, so pouring a couple oils into it. This one's a bit tougher or a bit harder than the Irish, so just take your time. Okay, now I'm gonna rub them or brush them with some olive oil. I'm gonna use some olive oil to brush them. I would suggest not to use butter. It's best if you use oil. You don't have to use olive oil, but it's best to use oil to do this. So you're gonna coat them. Now coat them. And I coat them with oil. And this oil is gonna give them a crispy texture outside. Now you're gonna put some salt on them to give them some flavor. You can go ahead and put some pepper if you want pepper on it, but I'm not using any pepper on this today, so I'm just gonna use the salt and rub this in to give it some flavor on the skin. And my oven is already preheated to 375 degrees. So now I'm gonna put these into the oven. I'm gonna put them into the oven for at least an hour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put them into the oven on the top shelf. As I said, my oven is 375 degrees and for 1 hour. So they're nice from out of the oven, hot and nice. Very hot. I'm gonna give them a cut. I'm gonna give this a cut. So crispy. Here they cut. I'm gonna push this up like this. Oh, so hot. Go ahead and add some garlic powder inside. Just just a pinch. Some shredded cheese. I'm gonna add some shredded cheese on top. So the heat from the potato is gonna melt that. I'm gonna put a butter on some butter. I'm gonna put some fresh parsley on top. Fresh parsley to give it some color. Oh Lord, this is beautiful. And you can add whatever filling you want to add inside of it. And that's it, guys. This is how I make my baked potato. Look at it, beautiful, crispy on the outside and so delish in the inside. Look at this. I'm gonna show you now because I'm gonna make you see on the inside. So delicious. Look at that steam coming out. Okay, and there you have it, my baked potato. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Bye guys.